scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Phillips curve question coming fast. We just need what shifts the long-run curve right, and that means finding what raises the natural rate of unemployment. Start with the long-run Phillips curve itself. It sits at the natural rate of unemployment, so a rightward shift means that natural rate increases, not just temporary inflation or short-run movement. Now check the choices by that rule. Job training usually lowers structural unemployment. Labor force participation changes measurement. Expansions are cyclical, and less immigration does not clearly raise the natural rate. Manufacturing automation can replace worker skills and increase structural unemployment, so the natural rate rises and the long-run Phillips curve shifts right, making A correct. Well done, option A. Scan now. Avoid rushing signs alone. Trust what is given and check the steps before locking your answer.